Find 7% of 171.2. We need the part of 171.2. 7% is the percent. 171.2 is the whole. The question mark is the part we are finding. The whole bar is 100%, or 171.2. The green bar grows to 7%. So the green part is the answer we need. Percent means out of 100. 7 divided by 100 is 0.07. In A, percent problem of tells us to multiply. Multiply 7 by 171.2. 198.4 divided by 100 is 11.984. So 7% of 171.2 is 11.984.